The National City school teacher accused of sexual misconduct with a child appeared in court today for the second time this week. CBS 8's Brian White was at the hearing to find out if Jacqueline Ma will be given another chance at bail.
34-year-old Jacqueline Ma makes her way into the courtroom for her second hearing this week.
So good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon, Ms. Ma.
Her attorney, Mario Vela, urged the court to grant her a pretrial release.
It is simply unnecessary to hold Ms. Ma on a no bail hold. Ms. Ma is prepared to accept any and all conditions that the court may impose.
The prosecutor insisted her no bail status should remain. She's accused of contacting the victim after she was first arrested using a messaging app with a special setting called vanish mode, and she's facing a witness intimidation charge.
We saw on a device that this minor had access to that this defendant, using a screen name that she previously used, attempted to reach out to this minor.
The defense disputed the accusation, saying she didn't reach out to the former student after posting bail.
I've spoken with Ms. Ma, and Ms. Ma irrefutably denies that claim.
The sixth grade teacher was first arrested last week at Lincoln Acres Elementary School on felony charges of sexual misconduct with a child. She bailed out of Las Colinas Women's Detention Facility, but was arrested again days later on additional charges, including possession of child pornography. Deputy District Attorney Drew Hart described what allegedly happened in the classroom between Ma and the then 12-year-old child, what he called a forcible sex act.
When you groom a child for months, when you get him alone in a location that he's been told his whole life is a safe place, that when you persist in sexual advances in that location after he tries to brush you off, that is duress.
After hearing arguments from both sides, the judge ruled to uphold her no bail status.
She was a teacher, a position of trust, a position of authority, and again, she commits this child to engage in sex acts as they presented.
The National School District placed Ma on unpaid leave. According to policy, she cannot be fired unless she's convicted. Her classroom is considered a crime scene and will remain locked until the end of the school year. Brian White, CBS 8.
Thanks, Brian.